My name is Kai Sondergaard. I'm product manager here at ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems. Beside my work as product manager in ASSA ABLOY, I have a role as a president of the European Door and Shutter Federation. It's all a matter of developing the whole awareness around sustainability and what that means for doors, and especially for sectional doors. I think the whole door industry is ready with products to support the energy savings. That can be products with increased speed, it can be products with improved insulation. So what we have done from EDSF is actually we have developed an algorithm, a system, which actually evaluate the energy efficiency of a door solution on many more parameters than just the U value. You also need to take the speed of the door into account, the tightness of the door into account, and also the energy consumption when the door is in usage. What is the outside temperature? What is the inside temperature? What kind of size of building do we use the door in? And how often is the door used, or how much is the door used? I think it's fair to mention also that a door contributes much more to the energy losses than people probably think. With all these parameters in place, we can generate what we call an energy label. So by looking on an energy label and all the different parameters as a total, you really secure that you have selected the right combination, the right door solution for the purpose. At the end of the day, it means less usage of energy for all of us.